everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm eating something. It's called papaya. I'm so sorry I am eating while doing the video. But today we're going to be showing you a Nickelodeon slime kit slime collection we have. So thanks to my shout out to Nickelodeon for bringing me that slime kit. Okay, my first slime that I made on the slime kit is like I have this clear slime. I have this clear slime. Ooh. It's like a clear slime. It's not that much of a clear slime because it's I've been playing with it for a while. I haven't let go of it to let it sit for a while. So yeah. So honey bun. Okay. Move this over here. I like the honey bun. So your turn. I'm gonna ask my dad if I can. It's called honey bun. So guys, this is my first one that I made. It's this one. So did he say yeah? No, he said no more food. Just like a person. Oh yeah, I have to drink stuff. Okay. I'm gonna do yours real quick. So here's her next line. This is my cousin, not mine. It's not.
Carlos, go to Wally World.
Okay. So it's not that stretchy because every time you stretch it, then it rips like a putty, but then the beads fall out, which is kind of weird. So let's just move on to the next slime because this is kind of a weird slime. Okay. So my next slime is going to be, which one should I do first? No, we're gonna do that one at the end. Which one should I do first? Pink? So this one is one slime, but these are both the same slime, just that they both together they couldn't fit in just one jar, so I had to put them in two jars. So let me show you it just a little close up. I'm gonna show you both of the pieces, not just one jar. Oh, look at that top. Okay. Okay. So here it is. It's really stretchy. It's like I named this one bubble gum. My bubble gum slime. I named it like that. Isn't that a cool name? Because it's like a bubble gum. So I really like the name of that. So when I Gabby, since you did mine, can I do one of yours? You can do this one. So we're going to move on to the next one, but not yet. Really? Okay. So I love this slime so much. It's really stretchy. Like it's so super stretchy. I love it. This one. I want to call this one diamond slime. What? I want to call this one she's trying to name my slime. Let's see what pearl slime. Okay. And let's name the clear one, the other clear one. Let's name it Clear Ocean. Yeah. So that was that bubblegum slime I named. And let's move on to the next one, which my cousin is going to do for me. It's the next one. It is mine, but she's going to do it for me because she doesn't have any more slime. So yeah, let's do that. do it. Okay. So this one's called the Pearl Slime. Yeah, she named it for me. And it's stuck because she put contact solution. No, this is not contact lens solution. And we do have some activator, just in case it's needed. It's borax, normally. Borax. And this one has pearl. Do you mean like gems? Gems and wait, it's not pearl. I'm gonna call it gem slime. So this is gem slime. She just named it again. And it could stretch however long you want it. You go slow. It took it forever. Okay, actually no. And then it could twist like I'm doing, twisting it, stretch it, squish it, Really? You owe me some beads. I'm just kidding. So let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna do the next one. And this is my last one I have. It's a big slime. It's in a different container. So yeah. It's in a different container, separated to all of the rest. So here it is. No. That one's last, remember? This one's second. Oh, now I get it. Here, I'm gonna do the next one. And then you're gonna do... Oh no. Here, you do this one. Here, let me do it, please. So this is another... What should we name it? Pinky slime? No, pink gem slime. Not pink ocean. Pink ocean, no. Pink ocean gems. Pink ocean with gems. And this is mine that I made. Yeah. So it was my slime kits. I had 2 slime kits. I'm gonna do it. Okay. So here's the next one. It's a glow in the dark. It's not. It's I need that pen. We are back. Oh, he used to be short, but now he's tall. He came one time when you were in here. He came and we went to the park with him. Yeah, my dad and Nikki and his kids and Carlos. Okay, so here is her glow in the dark slime. She did not show it at the camera, and it has pretty sparkles in it. As you can see, it's glowing in the dark. Here, there's my camera. Cannot see it at all. Sorry. So, and I'm gonna do the last one. No, I'm gonna do it. You did mine. I don't care. Okay. So my next one is a big one, and this one is actually in one jar because I earned myself a jar because I made slime before a long time ago. So yeah, here it is. I made it with some clear. All of them we made them with clear glue, except for that pink one I have in 2 jars. So it has a whole bunch of bubbles in it. And it's really crunchy. You want to put on your... Oh yeah, let's go show him this. Not yet. Okay, so here it is. I want to show him. So that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Could I show him your pink one? Could I? finish on here this week's video. So subscribe to my channel, click that notification button, and give some views on this video. So bye guys.